To fix the white cursor issue in Google Docs, follow this step-by-step guide. The white cursor problem can be frustrating, but it is easily solvable. First, understand that the white cursor issue typically occurs when the document's background color is white, and the cursor color is also white, making it difficult to see. To solve this issue, start by opening your Google Doc. Then, click on the Tools menu at the top. From the drop-down list, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, you will see several options. Look for the Editing section, where you can change the cursor color. Click on the box next to Cursor Color and select a color that contrasts with the background of your document. If you want to change the background color of your document instead, go back to the main document view and click on the File menu. Then, select Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, you can change the background color by clicking on the box next to Background and selecting a color that contrasts with the cursor color. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut to switch between different cursor colors. However, this method may not be available in all browsers or devices. To avoid the white cursor issue in the future, make sure to choose a cursor color that contrasts with the background color of your document when creating a new document. You can also use a dark background with a light cursor or a light background with a dark cursor. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the white cursor issue in Google Docs and improve your overall editing experience. Remember to always choose colors that provide sufficient contrast to ensure that your cursor is visible at all times.